Hi, I am here to share the part 2 of 10 reasons why SEO should be part of your digital marketing strategy. 6. Build thought leadership. Strong rankings on industry-relevant topics bolster your brand's credibility and recall among your target audience. It signifies expertise, builds trust, and ensures your brand remains top of mind during consumer decisions, enhancing your competitiveness in the digital landscape. 7. Better customer engagement. Well-optimized content plays a crucial role in delivering the information users seek, enabling them to make informed decisions. By presenting relevant and comprehensive information, it empowers users to weigh their options effectively and confidently, ultimately enhancing their engagement with your brand. 8. Stronger connection with your audience. Robust SEO provides keyword-based insights into your audience's interests, helping you understand their priorities. This data serves as a valuable foundation for crafting more effective strategies to engage and connect with your target audience on a deeper level. 9. Measurable result. Evaluating performance via utilization of diverse metrics that offer valuable insights into the effectiveness of your webpage and content, enabling data-driven decisions to enhance your online presence and business target. Last but not least, to create synergy with other digital marketing promotion. SEO not only elevates quality scores through improved mobile experiences and faster loading speed, but also offers insights into user search patterns, informing more effective digital marketing strategies and optimizing your efforts and result. Thanks for watching the series. We will be sharing more SEO tips and latest update of SEO tech. Follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube. You can also get your 7-day free trial on our AI-powered SEO platform, RankBot. Go to rankbot.io and sign up for it. Have a good day.